Hi traders, hope you're having a great start to the week. I'm on the dollar CAD, got my monthly, weekly, day support and resistance levels all drawn in. They're in the description below. I'll just discuss the ones closest to price action. Now the dollar CAD advanced last week. This week we may see a pullback to day support, 135.67. Can that level now hold as support for a move up to challenge 136.54 weekly resistance? This is a strong level of resistance that may offer an opportunity to then trade back down. So can the advance continue? Watch 135.67 for support and 136.54 for resistance. Alright traders, move on to dollar franc. Last week we moved above the 88.20 weekly resistance level. This week I would watch that level to be support for a move up to challenge 89.01 weekly resistance, and we also have monthly resistance at 89.26. So can the advance continue? Watching 88.20 to be support for a further advance. Okay, moving on to dollar yen. All the dollar pairs are holding their uptrends. Now can we move above 146.55 day resistance this week to become support? So can we move above? Can it become support for a further move up this week, targeting 147.68, which is monthly resistance? Can the uptrend continue? Alright traders, moving on to Euro Pound, which reversed back up the range last week, back above 85.47 and 85.65 monthly, weekly resistance. Now potentially moving back to support. Yesterday 85.65 was support. Now we may see a further test of weekly support this week. I'd watch that level to be support for a move higher. Are we moving back up towards weekly resistance? A strong level of resistance. You can see we held here once, twice, three times. So are we moving back up to the top of the range, back up to a weekly resistance at 86.58? Alright traders, moving on to New Zealand yen. It's very range bound, so look to the outskirts of the range. If we move down, watch 86.13 day support to be support for a move up. And can we test 87.30 weekly resistance? Does that hold for then a move back down? Alright traders, moving on to New Zealand dollar. Last pair to review for today. Last week we rallied, held at monthly resistance, traded back down to day support, 58.96. This week can we break below that level? Does it become resistance for a further decline, targeting the 5800 level? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my Forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact nathan.bray at acy.com to get access.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities, as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week, 29th of August. Forex Trading, Live Market Analysis. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunity, and answer your trading questions. 30th of August. Risk and Trade Management, #1 trading tool, understanding risk to reward. During this webinar, Duncan will teach you the important topics of money management and calculating the correct trade size. He will discuss risk to reward, trade management, important news announcements, and managing your trading day. 31st of August. Live Forex Market Review, identifying high probability trading levels. Don't miss these live interactive webinars that will help you improve your trading.